Tired of boring Tableau filters? Let's spice them up by adding your brand's logo. First, let's open up Tableau and a completed dashboard. We want to replace these generic-looking filters with something more visually appealing that reflects your brand. Now, locate the sheet where your filter is located and then select the filter that you'd like to customize. Then select the arrow dropdown in the top right corner of the filter. In the dropdown that pops up, select Customize under the filter list. Then, in the new set of settings, select Format. This will open up the Format pane to the left or right side of the screen. Next, under Selected Items, you'll see various customization options. Find the section for Image. Clicking on Image reveals a spot to upload your logo. You will want to make sure the logo is saved on the computer. Go ahead and browse your computer to find and select the logo you'd like to use, then click the Apply button. Bam! Your logo should now appear in place of the default filter items, giving your dashboard a fresh new look. Now you can see how this drastically improves the dashboard's appeal. This is a great way to reinforce your brand and make your Tableau dashboards more engaging. Now you've learned how to add a logo to a filter. Now go get creating.